Hello friends, Running Kimono here. We are looking at the best curbside deals right till December the 13th, so the full week. You're ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check, paying for it, driving the store, and that is lovingly known as a curbside pickup. You can save a little bit more money this way because you can use different discount codes with. In yesterday's video, I'm going to apologize. There was one slight error. At the very end, when I was doing the $40 basket, for whatever dumb reason, I forgot to tell you guys to photograph your receipt to fetch rewards to get the points for the crunch or butterfingers. I don't know. You know what it was? I'm going to be honest, having some really bad computer problems yesterday, and the problems got so much worse that it just slipped my mind. As one of those things. I think the whole computer crashed when I was typing out my breakdown. It was just too good. And the computer was like, oh, we're not going to do that. So if you did yesterday's $40 basket, photograph your receipt to fetch rewards. Now, I do know that the fetch rebate has very specific candy bars or flavors. It's the Crunch White and the Butterfinger Marshmallow. If you can't find it at Walgreens, if you might have a 7-Eleven convenience store, go to that store and see what the price point is, and if you can swing it, and if you pick up 3, it's $4.50 back. I know a lot of shoppers were getting theirs at the 7-Eleven. If you could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up or hype the video, I would be so grateful. Really helps out the channel and the video. Okay, so the first deal that we have, this is a great one. It's 4 of these travel size secret whole body deodorant sprays. You need 4 of them. That's not negotiable. And we have a 7 off a 2 and a 3 off a 1 that are getting reduced down to cost because it's buy one, get one 50% off. And they will not give you overage, unfortunately not. To get the math to balance, because you need a minimum of $10, we're going to throw in 2 of these Hershey's Kisses. They're 2 for $8 or $4 per. If you do a lot of Christmas baking or gifting, it's a great little candy to toss in. And then just to show you, the 7 off 2 got reduced down along with the 3 off a 1. And then you can also use the code WAG10 to save an additional 80 cents. You can't do that in store. Use those different coupon codes. The overall total is $19.96, WAG 10, our manufacturer's melting off. So the total here is $11.91. If you want to use $10 in Walgreens cash, if you may have it, go for it. Pay $1.91, and you're getting back $4 in Walgreens cash for buying 4 of those deodorants. How nice is this deal? Let's not forget, guys, when you go to the store, ask the cashier to process it through a regular register, because Fetch has this spend 14 to earn back 1,500 points, which is $1.50. Some of it will track, so make sure you get a receipt so you get the maximum amount of savings. Okay, so deal number 2, we are going to be using this friend. So I know not everybody got it, so if you just want to augment the deal or not do it, that's also cool. But if you have the 10 back when you spend 40, that's awesome because it's a multiple use and you can use them right up till the end of the year. So we have this 15 off, so hopefully you have the same one as I. And we have a little coupon code as well, Flash20, for an additional $20 off of a $35 purchase. This is a Christmas gift set. It's called a holiday kit. It is one of these L'Oreal Midnight Creams and the serum for $49.99 with a 15 off coupon. I mean, I think a lot of us will be doing a little bit of Merry Christmas to me because this night kit is just absolutely fantastic. So just to show you guys, $15 melting off right there, and then an additional 7 with Flash 20. That's why Curbside's a little better to do it this way. And then just to show you, $49.99, 7 coming off, 15 coming off. With your debit card, you're going to pay $30 and get back $10 in Walgreens cash. So it makes this beautiful gift set $20. And if you would even try and buy one of these in store, you know how much that costs. So I think this is just a really great gift set, especially if you like the L'Oreal Midnight, which I certainly do. Now, the next transaction that we have is very heavy on something everybody loves in the entire US, which is gift sets. We got a ton of coupons, so I'm just going to kind of walk you through what I would do. put 2 of these into a cart, and we have a $2 digital that's new. A lot of these gift sets are up to 25% off. The Olay one isn't, but the Old Spice one is. Very bizarre. Over on IBOTTA, I still have a 10 back when you buy 2. Double, triple check that you have the same rebate as I. We're also going to throw in this Venus one for $11.24, and we have a new $3 digital coupon coming off for this friend. So there's, they're reduced down in cost for a lot of these gift sets, and plus there's digital coupons, which is fantastic. We have this guy for $7.49, and we have another $2 digital, so make sure you load that. Everybody loves gift sets. I don't know what it is. And then we have this Gillette Fusion one for $11.24 with another $3 digital loaded. To show you this, Old Spice, Gillette, Flash 20, $8.50. Shut up, that's awesome. Venus, Gillette. So that's some tremendous savings too. Because this is with IBOTTA, you have to ask the cashier to process it through a regular register, so you get that physical receipt for IBOTTA. Okay, so after the $8.50 coming off, you're still at $43.95, so you're still going to qualify for the spend 40 to earn back 10. $10 in digitals melting off. You're going to pay $35.40 with your debit card. You're getting back 10. Photograph your receipt to IBOTTA for an additional $10 back. So it's like getting all these gift sets for $15. I think that's winning the couponing Olympics, in my humble opinion. Okay, the last deal that we're looking at, again, you need your best friend loaded, the 10 back when you spend 40. So have it loaded because this one's fantastic. And for this basket, we are going to be grabbing one of these CoverGirl face powders for $8.99. And there's a $2 digital that's attaching. And this is buy one, get one 50% off this week. And then we also have one of their cheaper mascaras. And here's our friend, the mascara for $3.14, and we have a $2 digital. There's another one that's $6.99 too, so whatever you can find at your store. And if you remember from yesterday's video, IBOTTA is really generous right now where they're giving us back $8, $4 for the face, $4 for the eye product. That's $8 back with IBOTTA. You must ask the cashier to process it through a regular register so you get a receipt so you can get your $8 back. Now, adding to your cart, we're going to throw in 6 of the Nivea men's for $30, which is a lot. And it's buy 3, get $5 back in Walgreens cash, plus IBOTTA is giving you back $1 for up to 5. So you're going to get 8 back for the CoverGirl, and then an additional $5 back for this. And just to get the math to balance, 2 of these Hershey's Kisses, whichever ones you want. I went with the Grinch one. Why not? Now, just to show you the overall savings here, I tried to use the code Nivea, had no luck, but Flash 20 worked for me. So we have our CoverGirl coupons, the Nivea coupon, and then Flash 20 taking an additional $8.83 off. So the subtotal is $50.13, and after that coupon code of $8.83 coming off, we're still at $41.30. So for the spend 40, earn back 10, you are there. $6 in digitals melting off. So with your debit card, you're paying $38.21. You're getting back 20 plus an additional $13 back from IBOTTA, 8 and 5 for the Nivea. So it makes this whole transaction like, if you're factoring in the tax, like $5, which is absolutely amazing. That's it for this video. If you want to check out yesterday's in-store video, watch it linked right here. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.